Welcome back to Swiss 400, where today I have a United 757-300 from NG Models to review. This aircraft carries the registration November 78866 and has been in service since 2002. The model itself was released in April of 2024. Starting off this review, let's take a look at the box. On the front you can see a nice background graphic of the United logo with an image of this beautiful aircraft. If we turn the box around, we found a continuation of the same design, but no further detail about the aircraft, nor has it a flip top where you can take a look at the model inside. The box looks really good, but lacks some information and features we get from other brands. I'll give this box a score of 3.5 out of 5. Now let's take a closer look at the mold of this rather interesting 757-300. The nose shape is spot on. On the top of the fuselage we have some very tiny aerials which look great, as well as the SATCOM dome. The wings also look great, except maybe for the winglets, which appear to be a bit rounded at the top. The engines on the other side are once again perfect. When we look at the underside of the fuselage, we once again find the tiny aerials and not much more. The tail of the model is also very nicely made, with a lot of detail on the vertical stabilizer. As with NG 757-200 mold, this is an incredible showing from them. The only negative is the rounded winglets. Still, this mold deserves a 9.5 out of 10. Looking at the landing gear next, we can see that they roll very smoothly. They are also very detailed and the size is spot on too. The main landing gear does not tilt, which I personally prefer if it allows for better detail. Still, a lot of people prefer them to tilt, so I guess we'll deduct half a point there. It's a 4.5 out of 5 for the landing gear. NG models have some of the best printing in 400 scale, and this model is no exception. The United livery is represented beautifully, and there is plenty of small detail painted on the model's top and bottom part. In terms of quality, I only have a small remark. The wings and horizontal stabilizers could be glued in a bit tighter so it doesn't leave a tiny gap, but that's a nitpick. Other than that, the quality on this model is outstanding from front to back. I'll give this NG 757 another 9.5 out of 10 on the quality and printing. The time has come to reveal this United 757's final rating. As usual, we'll throw all the scores into our highly complex formula, which leading mathematicians all around the world have failed to figure out, to give us the final rating of a stunning 9.2 out of 10. It's been about 8 years since NG models stormed onto the market with their breathtaking 757-200. This Dash 300 is equally as impressive and by far the better option to the Mould Gemini Jets and JC Wings offer. I can only recommend any of NG Model 757s to every collector out there. That's all from my side. Let me know in the comments if you've bought any NG Model 757s and which ones you wish they would release. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more reviews. Until the next time, goodbye.